Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm with Shaklee. I just came on here to tell you a little bit about why I chose Shaklee. So for a while now, I have been thinking about my health and my family's health, but it was always on the back burner. So now, in our current situation, I feel like maybe I've dropped the ball. So I started thinking about people that I know that I feel like are healthy to me. I've known about Shaklee for a long time. I've used their products for a long time, but never really used it in the capacity that I could. So I buy cleaners from them. I've bought some stuff to help with my allergies, but never really my thought about my full health, as in vitamins, my family's health. So I started to do some research about Shaklee, found out lots of things about them, the research that goes into the things that they sell, the affordability of the company, and my thought of wanting to be healthy, for my family to be healthy, for my friends to be healthy. I dove into this company. I just want to put out there that if there's anything that we can control, it is our health. I would love to be able to help you do that. So whether that looks like finding what kind of vitamins or regimen works for you, for your body, for your skin, for how you clean your house. Let me help you achieve your health goals. So in the next couple days, I'm going to be making some videos about products that I do have and that I do love. So stay tuned for that, and we will be having an event coming up from the comfort of your home, so that we will really get into what all Shaklee offers, and we're going to be doing demonstrations and giving away prizes. So we will see you soon. Bye.